In this video, I am going to show you how you can increase your investment into a PAMM you invested in. So the first step would be to go into PAMM, go into Investor to see your current investments, and then you can click Manage in order to invest more money into your investment. Here, you can select the amount of funds that you want to add. Let's go with 100%. That's $20, and click Add Funds. Once that's done, you might need to refresh your page in order for the changes to reflect. And here you can see that my current PAMM has jumped from $47.44 up to $67.44. And if you go to Transactions, you'll be able to see two separate deposits to the same strategy.